Okay guys, today we're going to be looking at the Anvil-30 Arc in conjunction with the Midwest Offroad adapter plate that is going to be mounted on the Innorel RT90 Charlie. That's a tripod I use, and you know, I like it so far, but I want to upgrade, and my bullhead use a different one than the one that's on it. This is the one, the stock one that comes with it. It's a good stable clamp. I'll show you guys later on when we get the tripod outside, and we'll compare the two. This is the new one. Nice little setup, pretty beefy. I like it. So basically, this is I think it's specifically made for that Innorel 90 Charlie. I got it used, obviously, from a guy off Sniper's Hide. I'm not sure if they even make it anymore. I'm pretty sure it's like an 85 millimeter bowl. Just let me double check. Yep, 85 millimeter. So basically, this is designed for the Really Right Stuff Anvil-30. I think you could use the Arc or the standard, the old one, non-Arc. It fits right in there. Nice machine work, threaded. Comes with the 4 Allen screws. It's nice in there. No slop. Pretty good. So basically, you just have to line up the holes, 4 holes, to the bottom portion here. And you run them down. I'm going to put a little bit of blue Loctite on here, just so I don't have to do this again. Or worry about it. Loosen it up. Just a little dot. Not much. Actually, let me see what size that is first. Alright, so let's see what size this is. Okay, 964. Okay. I'm going to drop these in. Just get them all started. I'm going to torque these down to 20. Let's go around one more time. Okay. Alright, so that's the setup with the Anvil-30 and the Midwest Offroad adapter. And again, like I said, the guy on Sniper Hide makes these. I'm not sure if he's still making them. for you guys that are running the Innorel. Looks like a pretty sweet setup. I'm gonna slap this on here just because sometimes I use a sandbag. I just have this laying around, so it's nice. All right. Yeah, so that's the way it looks. Nice. Compared to the stock one that I had. I just had this clamp from older tripods, and I just used the bolt holes down here. This one, you loosen it. Just limited on your degree of angle, you know, compared to, you know, the new Anvil. You know, you got a lot more movement. You know, we'll go outside and we'll put the rifle on there, and we'll show exactly what the difference is. But looking pretty good. Okay, so let's go outside. Alright, this is the stock bowl with the clamp. Pretty stable. I like it. And it has the adjustment right here for the angle. So you're limited, obviously. Side to side, downward, upward angle. You know, good for transition, moving target. You know, you can apply the pressure. I like it. It's good. Just figured let me try something different. So take this out. Pop out the stock one. Get the anvil. Slots right in. Lock it down. Solid. Look at the difference. The angle. Right. Pretty good. I guess you just got to get used to the lever where you're locking it down. On your target. It's pretty solid. So, I'll give it a shot. See how it works. Definitely a solid unit. I like it. So, all in all, I think it's a win. Pretty good setup. About smaller too. So, if you're running an Innorel tripod and you're thinking of getting a little more stability, why not try this? You know, they still make them, like I said, dry sniper's hide, Midwest Offroad. I'm not sure what the guy's name is, but if you can get your hands on one, grab it. It's a pretty sweet setup. And let me know if you like this video, guys. That's it.